Hola, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Ceilo Smart Thermostat and the Ceilo Breez Edge Pro. We got a home residential type thermostat, so we're gonna actually install this one today, upgrade a thermostat of my parents' house, which is super old school. Finally get them up to date from Mercury to a smart Wi-Fi thermostat. And then we also have this one, which is for mini splits that I'm actually going to be installing in about a month, also for my parents. My dad has this little office shed type thing, and he had a window unit that just could not keep up, and we're going to put a mini split in there. So that's what this smart one is for. So today we are focused on the Ceilo Smart Thermostat for your home. Now this has a few different advantages. You get the nice, very sleek, simple black thermostat here, squared, looks nice. And then in the box you also get a few different things. We have the manual, obviously. We have our wiring diagram right here. And then you're also going to get the wall plate where you have your terminals and everything like that. What I like is that you can push. These are the push style. You can push to remove and then also just slide in and it'll catch it and snap in. You got a built-in level right here. Super simple. And you get your hardware to mount it. You get an adapter, which I may or may not need today for my parents' house. Coming from such an old thermostat, I just don't know if they have a common RAN. So you have these screws for these terminals right here where you would tap into, and you also have them labeled individually right here. So like I said, if you don't have your C wire, your common, this is what's going to give you that common, because you need one basically to power any smart thermostat, any Wi-Fi thermostat. You're gonna need a common to give this thing 24 volts at all times. You got a wall plate included under the tray here, which is a nice touch. So you have everything you need, and this thing has a ton of benefits. You have an app. So we have actually a Contractor's app, so you can control it as the installing contractor, and then your customer will then use the regular Ceilo home app. So you have control over this thing over your Wi-Fi or anywhere that you are with the app. You have 7-day scheduling. You got geofencing, which I've used in the past, where you leave for work, you come home, it'll automatically sense that, and that way it turns on your way home from work. If you guys don't have a set schedule, you leave the house, you want it to go up a few degrees, and as you're coming back home, it'll get back to your set point. Things like that. You have presets, you have energy savings with this, and usage history. So you can go in there and see how long your thermostat's been running and all that kind of stuff if you need those or need that data. All right, and if you want to go check out the Ceilo thermostat for yourself, I'll leave a link down below. It's going to be ceilowiggle.com, and you can go check it out for yourself. This smart thermostat supports up to 2 heat, 2 cool on conventional. On heat pumps, it's 2 heat, 2 cool plus 2 stages of auxiliary heat, and you can use accessories including whole home humidifiers and dehumidifiers. You also get that C adapter if you don't have a common. So basically, you wire that up in the furnace and it should kick back a common. But what I did in this situation that we're going to, they had an extra wire that they weren't using, but no common was hooked up. So all you have to do is, common is essentially your ground. If you look at your transformer in the furnace, you're gonna have a 24 volt side and basically like a low voltage side and a high voltage side, right? High voltage comes in to 40 in this instance, steps down to 24 volts, but you have 2 terminals. One is 24 hot, your other side is your neutral or ground. It is physically grounded to the chassis of the furnace. So all I did was add another terminal to bunch up with, I think, 3 other ones for my ground or neutral. Common in this instance, right? So All I did was run a wire from there, hooked it up to that extra wire in our thermostat wiring. That went all the way to the thermostat, and the one that was unused, obviously we grounded it on the transformer, which was common basically. And we were able to put that common on the thermostat, and that's how we got our 24 volt constant power to the thermostat. Now, the other cool thing, I don't know if they've rolled it out yet, is you get branding on the thermostat itself. So when I went to the Contractor app, I uploaded our logo. I filled out my contractor information. It's gonna ask you for your name, email, phone number, and I believe address. And basically, your thermostat will be branded via a logo digitally. Before, you would do like an engraving, a stamp, a sticker on the housing of the thermostat where they would see it. I would always go and scratch those out with a Sharpie, but this is ingrained in the thermostat. So it's your logo, they tap on it, they get your information. I'm not sure if it's rolled out yet, but it should be out when this video's out or shortly after. And that's a cool way to brand and retain customers, right? So a lot of it is brand awareness. They see you over and over. They have your contact information in case they lose your business card, they lose your number, they forget a name, maybe they have partial name of your company, they don't remember the full name. It's right there in their thermostat. So when that thing is not working or high temp, whatever it is, they're going to see you on there and they're going to be like, I need to call this company out because my AC is not working. Speaking of digital brand awareness, this only works obviously after you've acquired and done work for this customer. You're trying to retain them, right? And a lot of the times, if you're doing word of mouth, a neighbor or friend recommends you, it's because somebody needs the work and that window of opportunity is very small, right? The other instance is if you go door to door, you go talk to people, you need to catch them at the right time. If they're looking for service, they know they need something like maintenance or cleaning, whatever it is, or maybe they're looking to upgrade, you know, that's when you can potentially get that customer. But I think the best and easiest way is to just be there when your customer needs service. And what I mean by there is online. If you guys need help, but I mean, you should absolutely already have a Google business profile, social media of some sort, and a nice website. When they go looking and searching for AC repairs in my area, AC cleaning in my area, you know, the weird issues that they have with their AC, you know, why is it doing this or that? You should be popping up in those searches. And admittedly, I come from the mindset of word of mouth and word of mouth only, right? Or going door to door and all that. But I've learned over the past couple of years, especially since COVID, that that is not always the case, even in the commercial world. So quick shout out, if you guys need help, I do work with Topline Pro. They give you a free demo and a free website. So please take advantage of that link down below. Now, just to give you experience and proof, Wingstop, Chick-fil-A, Stars Drive-In, and a bunch of other work, Sprouts, you know, barbecue spots, local restaurants. I've tried to take care of as many as I can, and we are growing and hiring at a huge rate right now. So all of that is just automated and it gets handled in the back end by Topline Pro because they're handling that Google business profile. They're posting actively to that, which also gets basically just submitted or distributed among that, your website as a blog post, your Instagram, your Facebook. It gets posted to all of them. And this is a great opportunity if you have before and after photos, a nice install that you did, any kind of work that you do. So I can only tell you my experience, and those huge accounts found us through our website. So you need to look the part to get the part. I didn't think that was going to work, and it did. Like I said, all those places, and those are all third party, handled by third party, right? They all found us online, and all of them said they loved our website and being able to request work from that site. So check out Topline Pro. They will give you a free demo and a free website if you use that link down below. Let them know that I sent you, and I hope it helps. All right, so unbeknownst to my parents, I am at their house now, and we're gonna install this Ceilo thermostat right here. Like I said, they've had a Mercury thermostat forever. And funny enough, after they remodeled, I saw that they got a second one, and the old one is still there. There's still a dummy thermostat on the other side of the house. My mom just wanted it closer to the bedroom, so there's two Mercury thermostats here. We're gonna upgrade the one that's actually running the system. And that's it.
76 default?
No, it was 73.
No.
Right now it's 76 in this area.
You got to show them all how to use it.
Huh?
You got to show them all how to use it.
One heat, how to go?
Yeah, you go up here, heat,
and
or you can leave it on
wait.
auto.
But even when you choose heat, I have to adapt the change
Yeah, you
the
have to
temp.
set whatever you want to set it to.
Okay, so but
For right now it's just
right
here, and that's your up and down.
go to that number. You go to the 76.
Yeah, the little
circle?
one. Because the big one is what it is in here, and now you get your weather. You want to come in and look at the weather?
Why? When I can do it on my phone?
I was gonna say, yeah.
Oh.
Wait,
That's it.
and that's it's up and then to get back, huh?
Just click anywhere.
Anywhere?
All right, so that is the installation of the Ceilo smart thermostat. Super easy, super simple, quick. It was ready in no time and it started working right away. I did use the Contractor app, and then it gave me a handoff option with a QR code, which we then set them up with their own account so they could use it, you know, with the app. The Ceilo home app, which works off Wi-Fi, where they can set it up. Now, my parents went from the oldest of old school thermostats, and now they were thinking like, oh, you know, when we go out of town, when we this or that, like we could set it and check on it and this and that. So there's benefits to a smart thermostat, and it'll give them analytics, like I said earlier, as to how much it runs and, you know, all sorts of stats that they could maybe potentially use to their advantage. But let me know in the comments if you guys think this was a good thermostat. Ceilo is also from DIVERSITECH, who I do work with, and I've been using their Pro 1 thermostats for commercial use, and every now and then I do have to use something like this, and it would be nice to offer a more modern, sleek, simple thermostat. I got to emphasize the simple, because we went from, you know, you have customers that prefer this, which they shouldn't have in their home anymore. And all it was is it has the room temp super big. I like that. Easy to see, no matter if you're older or, you know, see it from afar. And then underneath that is where it has the set point. So I told, you know, my parents, just hit that button on the bottom. That's your set point. And then you can go up and down with it. And then the very top has a snowflake. That's a little more obvious. You click that and you can set it to cooling, heating, auto. It does have an auto feature if you guys like to just have your home automatically go into either mode. You just set the temp for both and it'll try to keep a comfortable temperature, and then you can turn it off. I didn't set anything up for them as far as circulating fans or the fan to run at certain times. You can do that as well with this thermostat. I do it in my house because my son has allergies, and I think it's just an efficient way to get circulating air in the house, I'll let them know that that's an option they can use, because they like to set theirs in the high 70s. So we have all complained when we go to their house that it is so hot, and I asked today, that's just how they prefer it. It's not anything that they need to change. So as soon as I put this one in, we set it to like 77, and they're like, yeah, that's fine, that's how we like it, this and that. I'm like, okay, cool. So you guys let me know, was that worth an upgrade, or would you have kept the original old thermostat that they had? But I mean, honestly, if they just want it for the aesthetics, there's that second one that I showed you. They have 2 of those in their home. But like I said, let me know down in the comments what you think about this thermostat, or what you guys prefer, or the features that you look for in a thermostat. Like I said, I hooked this thing up, and I actually thought that it got hung up or something, but just give it a second if you guys do use it. I did it. It was grayed out for a couple seconds, and then everything just kicked on. It just picked up the Wi-Fi, said I was done, and that was in a matter of seconds. Like, there was no fuss at all with it. So I installed this on the weekend when I had time, and my brother was there too, and he was like, oh, that's it? Wow. So that's a good impression, right? Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you guys.